Today, we're going to talk about Scratch 3.0. Does anyone know what Scratch 3.0 is?
It's a programming language, right?
Yes, it is. Scratch 3.0 is a visual programming language developed by MIT. It's designed to be user friendly, especially for beginners. You can create interactive projects like games and animations. It uses a drag and drop interface to combine characters, backgrounds, and blocks to define their behavior. Blocks are commands that tell the characters or sprites what to do. You drag these blocks into the scripting area to build your program. Sprites are the characters or objects in your Scratch project. They can be anything from animals and people to aliens.
How do you add more sprites to a project?
You can click on the Choose a Sprite button and pick one from the library or draw your own. This way, you can have multiple sprites in your project.
Can sprites do different things at the same time?
Yes, you can control each sprite separately. You can add scripts to each sprite to make them move, speak, or perform actions independently. You can use the Say block from the Looks category. Type in what you want the sprite to say, and it will display the text when you run the project. You can use the Go to X, Y block from the Motion category. This block allows you to set the coordinates where you want your sprite to move. Scratch has sensing blocks that let your sprites respond to different situations. For example, you can use the touching color block to check if a sprite is touching a specific color and then make it react. You can use the hide block. When you run your project with this block, the sprite will vanish. To make it reappear, use the show block.
Can we add sounds to our projects?
Yes, you can add sounds by clicking on the Sounds tab in the sprite list. You can choose a sound from the library or upload your own. Use the Play Sound block to play the sound in your project. Sprites can have different costumes. You can use the Next Costume block from the Looks category to switch between these costumes, creating the illusion of movement. Scratch 3.0 allows you to create custom blocks using the Make a Block feature. This helps you organize your code and makes it reusable.
Can we draw shapes in Scratch?
Yes, you can use the pen extension to draw shapes. For example, to draw a square, you can move the sprite forward and turn right by 90 degrees, repeating this 4 times. You can draw circles and triangles by setting the pen color and thickness and using loops to repeat movements and turns.
This all sounds really fun and interesting.
It is. Scratch 3.0 encourages creativity, problem solving, and collaboration. It's a great way to learn coding while having fun.